so in love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I study Korean through Webtoons. I'll also be sharing some tips and tricks, materials, and a short flip through at the end. So let's begin. Here I have A5 paper, some writing utensils such as pens, pencils, highlighters, and gel pens. Personally, I like to use a thin black ballpoint pen. This is optional, but you can decorate your page however you want. Next, you want to open the app and choose the webtoon that you want to study. In this case, I chose True Beauty. You can also go ahead and choose the first episode, but I've already done that one, so I'm going to the next one. I like to write the title of the webtoon that I'm reading and the name of the episode so that I can keep track of what I've read and studied. You can go ahead and start reading the webtoon. Another tip is to read out loud and choose a webtoon that you've already read in the English version so that it will be easier to understand the context, the storyline, and what they're saying a bit more because you've already read it. So I've come across some words that I don't know. I'm gonna start off by writing out this sentence, which also helps your writing skills. And underneath, I like to put in dot points the words or terms that I don't understand in Korean. Next, you're gonna want to search up the word that you don't understand. So when I find the definition, I like to write it down, of course, and highlight it for pizzazz. Continue to do this for all the words that you don't understand in that sentence until you finally understand what that phrase means. You can just repeat this simple process every time you read the webtoon. For this, I like to use the Korean-English Naver dictionary. It gives you the word, meaning, and you can see how they use it in a sentence. You can go ahead and keep reading the webtoon until you come across another word or phrase that you don't understand. Some tips I have is to try and just get a gist of what you're reading. You don't have to know the exact translation word for word, or else it'll take you ages, unless you really want to analyze it and go through each word. Each time I see, I'll capture when you smile, those dim lights I see. Another tip is I like to put the dictionary form on the right side, so it's easy to stand out and easy for me to read over, so I know how to use it in the future. Hashtag not spons, but what I really like about webtoons is the storylines and illustrations are just very simple, cute, and totally up my alley. There are so many different genres like horror, romance, slice of life, and different illustration styles. So this is basically what a simple version would look like. You'd have the title, the sentence, the words you don't understand and their definitions, and the dictionary form on the right-hand side. But I'm not gonna stop there. I really like to decorate my pages just to make it a little more prettier. Personally, I read all of these webtoons in English before I tried tackling it in Korean. I learned Korean back in year 11 and 12, and this helps me expose myself to actual Korean text since I don't own any Korean books. Plus, Plus, it helps me get 10 episodes ahead of the English versions, so when everyone is up to episode 78, I'm basically up to episode 88. This webtoon that I'm reading here is called True Beauty, and I really like this webtoon because the language is not too technical, the storyline is different but also very cute and captivating, and it's also very relatable in many ways, especially for me. Another tip is to use sticky notes. If you don't have the time or you just want to read through the webtoon, you can write it down on a sticky note so that you can refer back to it later on. So right here, I came across some words that I don't know, so I jotted all down on the sticky note. This way, you won't have to search up in the dictionary every single time, and you can do it all in one go later on. Now I'm just gonna flip through what I have so far. Don't mind these earlier pages though. They're from my journal. These are from the first episode of True Beauty that I've analyzed myself. And now I'm just gonna add in that page that I started. These are some up-close shots so you can see exactly what's happening on these pages and the structure of how I use webtoons to study Korean. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it'll make me super duper duper happy. You can also check out my other How I Study Korean video up here in the top right corner. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!